Today, we're gonna make homemade chili flakes, and we're gonna use this Green Co. marble mortar and pestle, as well as a hot pepper shaker, and my father-in-law's hot red peppers. We are super excited to use these. We grew these, we've already dehydrated them, and now we're gonna crush them up. So we're going to open up the bag and put a little inside. Now we're gonna take our 4-inch pestle and start crushing it up in this 3.75-inch mortar. It's working so good. Of course, you can buy these at the store, but you feel really proud when you make it on your own. And using these mortar and pestles really bring out the flavor in all your foods. This is what they used to do in the old days. I feel so authentic. It's really coming together nicely. Let me show you a close-up of what it looks like. You can see how much finer it becomes once you use this mortar and pestle. Now I'm gonna put it in this container. So this is what it looks like uncrushed. And now we're gonna start crushing it like this first. The nice thing about these hot peppers, you can use both the skin as well as the seeds too. It really adds such a great flavor to all your food and pizza too. Wonderful. Now let's do our last batch. This mortar and pestle is perfect for grinding herbs, spices, guacamole, and garlic paste too. Very easy to use and also very easy to clean up as well. And I just love this beautiful marble. It looks so fancy. This would make a great gift to give to a friend or family member that loves to cook. This would also make a great housewarming gift as well. Look how nice this came out. Perfect. I was sent this mortar and pestle from Green Co. to evaluate, and I just love it. And I think you will too. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.